Hey, what's up guys, it's George, and in this video I want to talk about what supplies and equipment and stuff that you need to start a medical commodities business flipping diabetic test strips. Because, in most businesses, you need things to get started. You need equipment, inventory, whatever to get the business off and running. So let's talk about it. So, do you need a car? A car might be a good thing, but do you need a car? Nope. And in fact, I have a good friend who's doing over $30,000 a month in this business, and he doesn't have a car, and he hasn't had one the whole time he's been building his business. So nope, you don't need a car, because you can get your customers to ship you the boxes and or have them come to you. So you don't need a car. Do you need a website? Nope. For the first 6 to 8 months of my business, I didn't have a website. And in fact, most of the people I know who are crushing it in this business, doing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, don't have a website. So nope, you don't need a website. Do you need business cards? Nope, don't need business cards. Most people I know in this game don't have business cards. Do you need a computer? Nope. You can do the marketing, you can do everything, you can make calls and close deals just using your phone. Well, what do you need then? Really, the only thing that you need is a phone. So that way, you can get onto the internet, do some marketing, close some deals, and so forth. Just a basic phone. That's really it, and you have to have, I would say the most valuable thing, two of the most valuable things is marketing skills, which that can be taught and learned. You don't have to be a rocket scientist, though. I always say this is a business that even a middle schooler could do. This business is so easy. And then you also have to have good work ethic. You just have to be consistent. But this business is so easy, even a middle schooler could do it. Just yesterday, I placed an experimental ad in a different part of the country, just as an experiment. And I closed a $300 deal from it. That I'm gonna make $300 profit on it, because I'm gonna double my money on it, just from an experimental ad. I couldn't believe it. It was just something I wasn't even thinking I was gonna get anything from it, and then instantly closed the deal from it within about an hour. So guys, this business is so simple that a middle schooler could do it. You don't need any fancy equipment. Don't worry about business cards, a website, virtual assistants, a computer. All that stuff really is just excuses and excuses you can use to procrastinate. But really, the best thing is just get going, just start, and you can make a lot of money in this business, have a lot of fun. And you get better as you go along, and eventually you can start to get other things. Like I said, I didn't even get a website until like about 8 months into the game. So, and really, you don't need a website. So, you can get business cards later on if you want. You can get a car, whatever, but you don't need any of that. It's a simple business. If you want to learn how to make money in the medical commodities business, flipping test strips, with your own home-based business, then go check out the links in the description, apply for coaching with me, and or buy the course. All right, guys, till next time, have a great day. See ya.